This is the 8.2 Cobra Nautique with a load of 2023 model year updates. Let's check it out. Starting aft, this is powered by a Mercury V8 300. You'll notice really nice access to the water through the side bathing platforms. The aft seats are nice and deep, giving you lots of security at speed. You have two social zones, this one in the aft and one in the bow, and you can use the same table for each. And then you have a rear facing sofa here, perfect for water sports. This Cobra features an all-new T-top with integrated lighting and also a searchlight LED light bar on the front. This boat features a black pack where all the metal has been converted to a black powder coat. Also, it features more cup holders than previous models, with a cup holder in the front of the console and cup holders also along the back rear bench. This has a bow boarding area for when you're at the beach. The boat features the typical Nautique console with black metalwork and this front console seat. The console has a really neat heads compartment, and all the wiring is accessible through this hatch, but kept really nice and neat.